Cone Denim is a historic denim mill, headquarters in Greensboro, North Carolina. We have an amazing range of fabrics, an amazing history. We even introduced a new groundbreaking technology to the industry in partnership with Cyclo, where fibers behave like natural fibers. Our first step towards sustainability started in the 1940s. In the 1940s we recycled water, and that's something we did 60 years ago because it was a method of efficiency. Producing high quality product, that's another method of being sustainable, of being efficient. And I think that's what Cone Denim stands for.
Advanced Denim is the oldest denim manufacturer in China, known for being the most technologically advanced in China and with the goal of being the most technologically advanced in the world. Advanced Denim is spending its resources on also being the most sustainable denim manufacturer in the world. Not only purchasing products from our partners that create a sustainable product, but also investing heavily in our manufacturing to save both water and chemicals and create a cleaner product.
Verto is a denim mill that was born in 1887 in Bovolenta, a really small city near to Padua in the northeast of Italy. The family has always been interested and focused on the respect of the environment. In particular, we have a river next to the company, and we take the water from the river in order to use it in the production, and then we put it again in the river more cleaner than before. So we made different organic cotton fabrics, gold certified, new GRS fabrics that are made with yarns coming from the regeneration of our own waste of production.
Denim PV, we are introducing our new collection. This collection is called Climate Jeans, and we wanted to call it that because every single product that you see here, from washes to fabrics, have been emphasized in a way to draw attention to the climate emergency we are living right now. Sustainability is very important to us because we produce at scale, and that means that the actions we take have reflections on the planet. So everything has been designed to create an awareness on climate emergency, and we are actually communicating quite hard on that fact.